What kind of alarm system is right for you? No matter where you live or how safe parking lots and structures may seem, car thefts can happen anywhere at any time. But thieves still aim for discretion, which is why the blaring siren of a car alarm system is the best way to deter them from stealing your car or any valuables you might have inside, including aftermarket upgrades. Whether you choose a basic car alarm system or a fancier system, investing in your car's security is much more affordable than replacing the car or stolen items. So how do you choose the best alarm system for you? Here are a couple questions to ask yourself. What is your purpose for buying a car alarm? Not all car owners have the same security needs. One-way alarm systems send commands from the remote to the vehicle, while more complex two-way alarm systems also transmit information from the vehicle to the remote. Second question, where do you park your car? Two-way alarm systems are great for connecting you with your vehicle's security status, but some have stronger frequency ranges than others. This makes a difference if you live or work somewhere at a distance from where your car is parked. So you'll need to select an alarm with an adequate frequency signal and range. Next question, what kind of theft prevention sensors do you want? Car alarm systems are designed to go off during an active break-in, but some systems have additional sensors. Proximity sensors will chirp when someone gets too close. As an additional bonus, most proximity sensors will detect when you and your remote are nearby, automatically disarming the alarm and unlocking the door. Impact sensors trigger a warning chirp when your vehicle is bumped, but sometimes they can be overly sensitive. Windy conditions and loud noises can trigger impact sensors, so if you live in a loud or windy area, you might want to avoid this feature. Do you want a remote start function for your car security system? A remote start function means you can start your engine from a distance with your alarm system remote. This is great for getting the heater going on chilly mornings or the air conditioning on hot afternoons before you get in the car. Now this next part is for all you smartphone users, which I'm sure in 2018 it'll be most of you. Two-way alarm systems are controlled through a keychain remote, and many are made with smartphone capability. This feature extends your regular monitoring range, allowing you to monitor your vehicle when you're out of town. This last question, which will differentiate you from everyone else, is what additional features do you need for your car security system? In addition to providing security, car alarm systems are available in a wide variety of extra features. Some features include automatic rearm, which relocks doors if you don't open them after pressing the unlock button on the remote. Another feature is ignition control. Automatically locks door when the ignition is turned on and unlocks them when the ignition is off. Car finder mode, chirps and flashes parking lights when you can't find your car in a parking lot. Immobilizing feature prevents the engine from starting when the alarm is activated. Have any more questions? Please comment below. Am I missing any information you think is necessary? Please message me. In my opinion, Viper is one of the best alarm brands. What's your opinion? We are going to be giving away an alarm with its installation. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video on your Facebook to enter this giveaway.